I got a ninja.
What is it, Allison?
A princess Mom, look, cool jacket.
Oh, a Shaun White
got a
jacket like you
ninja.
wanted? Is that from Great Grandma and Grandpa? And what'd you get, Ethan? You got another kung-fu pet?
It's so beautiful. I knew it was heavy. I knew it.
Got your princess table and chairs so you can have a tea party, huh?
Yeah. Now we have our last present that we open
Wrapping paper.
Okay.
wrapping paper.
Yep, everybody pick up the wrapping paper.
Here's my purse.
Careful, little boy.
Can I pull it? No. Let Alice and grab a string.
All right, hey, here before you open that, why don't everybody say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.